Hey guys, it's Destiny Lashae. Welcome to another episode of Mask Monday. Today we're going to be trying out the Queen Helene Mint Julep Mask. I heard about this initially on Twitter, and a lot of people say they love the way that it makes their skin feel after they use it. This is a clearing mask, almost similar to the Aztec clay mask that I used in last Mask Monday. This has bentonite clay in it. It has zinc oxide and sulfur. On the bottle it says it's for oily and acne prone skin. If you do want to purchase this mask, I got it off Amazon. I will have the links to everything for you guys down below in the description box, so check that out. I wanted to see what my skin looks like under a microscope before and after the clay mask. This is going to be very interesting. I saw another YouTuber use this device on their YouTube channel. I believe her name is Hey It's Faye. So I thought you guys would enjoy this kind of video, so I purchased it from Amazon and brought it over to our channel to try it out. I do have acne scarring. I am currently on adapalene. I started that last week. Adapalene is supposed to purge the skin initially and then just get rid of any like under the skin bumps. I've had a couple new breakouts because I'm on this acne medication. It's supposed to get better. I'm gonna keep going. Hey, just a FYI, I did give up. Actually, I didn't really give up. I just stopped using the adapalene every day. I'm just gonna start using it once a week. Anyway, moving along. Oh my god, my skin looks so oily. Ew, it just started. Oh my god, do you see the oil like spreading? You guys, what is that under my skin? What is that? Is that a pimple? Oh my god. I just washed my face. Look at that. Ugh. My skin is so oily. What is that? Oh, I see something right there. Oh, yeah, that's like an underground pimple right there. Oh, is it an ingrown hair in there? Is that a hair? Is that hair in there? I kind of think I see a hair. No, that's a hair. That is a hair. Is that a pimple? That's a pimple. It's a piece of hair in there. I don't see that many pimples. I mean, I guess that's good, but I thought I was gonna see more. Alright, let's go over to this side. Oh my god, I see a whole bunch of underground ones. Ooh, it looks like they have like hair follicles wrapped around them. Wrapped around the pimple, if you could kind of see it. Is that hair or is that like a vein or something? I feel like that's hair. Let's just check out my nose. Oh. Oh, that is so oily. Look at all that. My forehead is not as bad as my cheek areas, acne-wise. So, kind of curious to see. Ooh, look at all that oil. Ugh. It's like rivers of oil. You can see the oil like sliding down. Oh, that looks so creepy. Ew. That just... Ew. Oh god. That is... Ugh. This makes me itch just looking at this. Guys, this is my eyebrow hairs. Oh, I actually had an ingrown hair like right. Is that it? Oh, that's the ingrown hair I had. I think I tried to pop it or something. All right, let's look at my edges because they're laid. Oh, that is my edges, guys. I have gel on them. That's probably why it looks like that, because it's gel. Ew. And just look at the gel on my hair. That looks disgusting. Look at that gel on my hair. So quickly, I'm going to show you guys what my 4-year-old daughter's skin looks like under the microscope. She always sits right here next to me while I do my videos. You have little hairs. You have hairs all over your face. Look at that. Whoa, what happened? What happened to your face? You scratch yourself? Ew, your nose kind of oily. Ew, Marty. Look at your nose. Ew, you got little stuff in there. Now that you guys have seen my skin up close and personal, I'm going to use this mask and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Okay, so it says to let this mask sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been about, I would say, a little bit over 30 minutes that I've had the mask on. I just thought about it really quickly. I wanted to show you guys what my mask looks like under the microscope. Any clay mask that I usually wear like breaks apart like this. Oh, it looks like icebergs. Kinda. Ew, and like when I press on it, goes in and out. Ooh, I see some oil right there. I still can't believe how nasty my edges looked. Ugh. This is my eyebrow with some mask on it. So cool. Well, let's look at my nose. Oh, look at the hair on my nose. Oh, look at that oil. The clay mask definitely sucked up some of that oil. I'm going to try to attempt to take this face mask off with a washcloth and see if it works. This is definitely a lot easier to get off than the Aztec healing clay. That stuff is like impossible to take off with a washcloth. Okay guys, so this is my skin after the mask. My face feels really smooth. I feel like my face looks brighter. The little whiteheads that I did have kind of came to the surface, so they'll probably be gone like in the morning. Okay, so let's just look under the microscope again and see if my face is a lot less oily after the clay mask. Whoa, it looks like it worked. Wow, my skin definitely isn't as oily. You see a little bit of the clay mask there. Ooh, there's a little acne scar. Yeah, my skin's definitely not as oily as it was. Wow, there's an acne scar. There you go. But honestly, I thought I would see a lot more active acne on my face. Apparently, my skin has really gotten a lot better because honestly, I was expecting a lot more going on my skin than what it is, you know? It looks pretty clear, like, it looks pretty clear. And I'm pretty close up to my skin right now. Ew, there's oil coming out of there still. Oh, what is that? Yuck. Ew. My face is definitely a lot less oily, for sure. I think clay masks really do help soak up all that oil. Ooh, look at that pimple. Ooh, look at that pimple. It's like a little whitehead, but it looks so gross. Ew. 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 Oh, that looks gross. So this Queen Helene Mint Julep mask actually really worked and helped absorb oil like it says on the packaging. It says for oily, acne prone skin. I will definitely be using this again. It didn't irritate my face at all. If you guys do want me to use the microscope in the next Mask Monday, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel. Like this video if you did like it. And I will see you in the next video.